अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना चाहे लो हमको आज़माना प्यार वाला चाल सागर इश्क वाले दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा ओ जो कहता है कहने पे झुक ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी और दिल से यार जो ले पुकार को जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले छीले हार से
Wow, well, it's been a long journey to be here actually. I was traveling to many countries, so first of all, being in Avignon, it was the most pleasant feeling in the terms of temperature. It was hot. I'm an Indian. I was born in Bombay, grew up in Bombay, and for Indians, to be very honest, Bollywood is very important, as if it's like brushing your teeth. For an artist, it's not just a business. For an artist, it's also the connections. You know, sometimes we do not go many places because we do not feel that connection, because we don't feel that peace. Since I was living in Bombay, so I was automatically attracted to Bollywood film industry. But I think I found my place in dance. Well, I must say the energy which I felt, it was awesome, and it was fantastic to see all the ages dancing together, having fun together. So for me, it was a very energetic and powerful and very positive experience in workshop. Thank you very much for having me here, and I wish you all the best, good luck, whatever you are doing in Bollywood, because I'm very impressed and very proud of all of you all, specifically my organizer, because she also teaches. So I saw the love she's spreading in Avignon or south of France. So I would love that. You guys please continue, and I'm always there with you guys. Thank you. Namaste.